go marry you, no worries. Saturday, Friday, see you. Lucky Friday. I will not back make it real, make it real.
Food there. Me say I chop for my in-law.
Oh yeah, bring 5.
Go buy everything.
Used to take us pictures every time growing up. He had his own camera, and I was just going through his things and I found this, like, beautiful memories. These cameras are very old, of course, but it's just so beautiful.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, maybe separate.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the dental clinic. I don't look my best. I can barely speak. My mouth feels heavy. I'm not with my mic, so I'm not going to talk for long. I just packed and I just decided to do the video. So I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on what I did. So apparently there's a hole in my teeth. There's actually a hole there. So my mom was like, don't go to a private hospital, let's go to a government-owned hospital. That's the general hospitals, and they will do it. Anyways, we got there, we queued. I had to wait for like 3 hours because there were people there, and it's first come first serve, which is normal. If I'd gone to, that's the pro about of private hospitals, if I'd gone to a private hospital, I would have finished since. But anyways, these people really know their onions. I would ordinarily not on my own go to a general hospital, but I'm happy I listened to her. So I got a card for 900 naira, and then they had to do an x-ray on the tooth to know the depth of the hole. That cost me 3,000 naira. I remember when I was told by one private dental clinic in Lagos to do an x-ray, I think, and it was not a, in quotes, an expensive hospital, but it was a private owned hospital, and it was 15k. But at the central hospital, I did it for 3k, and then they had to do like a temporary fill up of my tooth. That cost 5,000 naira. I had to wait for a long time for that, but they did an amazing job. They had to inject it first. My mouth feels so heavy. As I was driving here, I couldn't just wait to get home. Anyways, in total, I spent about 8,900, and then they gave me drugs to buy. I bought that outside of the hospital. That cost me like 2,1. If I'd done all of this procedure in Lagos, I would have spent nothing less than 110k, because I'd asked for it before and the total amount was 110k. So I'm happy I listened to my mom. I saved a whole lot and I had the best care from the best doctors too. Bye guys. I'll talk about it better. I'm not wearing my mic. Bye. She got green nylon,
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now. The seasons are changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
Children of men, for his goodness and for his wonderful works. To the children of men, to the children of men, he has opened the gates of brass.
Leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.